Hello everyone and welcome to today's webinar Bring Your Xamarin Apps to Surface Duo. First of all, I would like to thank you for taking time out and being here today. Before we start, I will quickly tell you about myself, Nirav and Stridely Solutions. Hi, I am Vinir. I have around 15 years of experience in software industry. Majorly, I have developed web and mobile applications. I have expertise in ASP.NET, Xamarin, Azure Cloud, and many others. I have commenced my career as a software developer and realized many job positions throughout my career. I have experience in SDLC using waterfall and agile methodology. I am also good in strategic planning, team management, and cross team coordination. I would like to introduce Nirav. He is around 4 years of experience. He is young, energetic, and dynamic person. He is expertise in developing web and mobile applications. Currently, he is engaged with Xamarin development. Stridely Solutions is a ISO certified company, partnership with Microsoft, SAP, Security Weaver, and Automation Anywhere. 200 plus employees of different skills are in Stridely family, presence in 18 countries. This presentation will take around 30 minutes. We will be a question and answer time at the end of the webinar. So we have a chat here. It's on the right hand side of your screen. So if you have any questions, just pop up them in there. And if you miss anything, don't worry. Uh, you can send us your questions at info@stradlysolutions.com. We would love to hear from you. Today we will looking at the following. Firstly, I will start with introduction about Xamarin. Then I will tell you about dual screen devices and about Microsoft Surface Duo. After that, we will learn how to support your Xamarin applications with dual screen devices. Then we will guide you on developing environment of Surface Duo. After that, there will be a live demo by Nirav. And before we end, we will have question and answer session. Xamarin is an open source platform for building modern and performant application for iOS, Android and Windows using .NET. Xamarin is an abstraction layer that manages communication of shared code with underlying platform code. Xamarin enables developers to share an average of 90% of code to their application across platforms. This allows developers to write all of their business logic in a single language to achieve native platform performance and look and feel on every platform. Xamarin.form is a feature of Xamarin. It is a framework for building cross-platform apps for iOS, Android, and Windows with .NET. Xamarin Forms let you build native apps using a .NET cross-platform UI toolkit that targets mobile, tablet, and desktops. It allows developers to build different OS applications from a single shared code base. It's using XAML for UI with code behind in C Sharp. So, who Xamarin is for? So, Xamarin is for the developers who want to develop cross-platform apps using C Sharp and Visual Studio. But why using Xamarin? First reason, when considering iOS and Android apps development, most of us think about Objective C, Swift, Java, or Ruby. When it comes to iOS and Android app development, they are naturally most often used mobile development tools. However, there are more ways to build performant and user-friendly mobile apps, and Xamarin is one of them. Second reason, Xamarin uses C Sharp to create app for all mobile platforms. C Sharp is a mature language with strong safety types that prevents code from unexpected behavior. As C Sharp is one of the most useful language in .NET Framework languages, it can be used with several useful .NET features. One more reason is Xamarin supports building apps for Apple and Android watch devices. So engineers can use Visual Studio for Mac and Windows to build iOS Apple Watch, and also Xamarin fully supported for Android Wear devices. So support is important reason. So Xamarin is a part of Microsoft, which puts guaranteed stability and performance to continue developer support. There are wide learning opportunities using Xamarin by community forum of Xamarin. And Xamarin considered as a Microsoft top priority product with no chance of being retired anytime soon. Another good reason is a lesser development time. Native apps are platform independent, sorry, dependent, and that is why developer needs to build separate code for each platform, which indirectly increases the development time. Xamarin can share the similar code on different platforms, which reduces the development time. And when you are developing a high competitive commercial app, or you are on a tight deadline, so it essential to give rapid release for different OS. Lastly, it's lower cost in maintenance. Xamarin can deliver mobile apps with fewer resources, which can enable quicker deliverables turnaround time, more rapid releases, and that saves cost. When we talk about enterprise mobile apps, the platform means we have one language to learn, one set of tools to master, and one team to manage, which delivers quality and also save cost. Dual screen devices are portable multi-posture devices with two symmetric screens that works together in unique way to provide productivity in a flexible way. With dual screen devices such as Microsoft Surface Duo and Surface Neo, people can get things done on the go faster. For example, take notes on one screen and review the full project proposal on the other side, or read a book on one side and browse the web on the another window, and or watch a video. Although dual screen devices unlock new possibilities for your apps, your existing app will work as expected on the devices. While there are different dual screen devices in the market and more are coming, we believe there can be a common way of approaching to design the apps for these devices. We hope this will help your app reach more devices without redesigning from scratch for every device. All dual screen devices can fold, flip, and rotate. Both screen can be used as displays or one screen may act as a keyboard. One screen, the different factor supports a wide variety of activities and allows the user to fit the device to their situation. So, So in dual screen device, it's very easy to span app in two screen. You need to drag the app from the white bar at the bottom of the app screen towards the middle of the device. When the background turns white across the both screen and your app will be displayed as a dual screen. So now, when the user launches an app, it cover core window opens in maximized and with occupies the full width and height of the single screen. User can have multiple applications open at once this way, allowing for side-by-side use of app and drag and drop scenarios. When your application not support dual screen device, your application will not display correctly. You can modify your existing app layout to accommodate the seam between two screens, or further uh, you can go further and design your app using layout controls specifically created to take full advantage of dual screen devices like that. After these changes, the app will support your normal Android device also. Now, how to support your existing app for dual screen device? So here is two steps. We need to take care of that. So first we need to add a namespace, which is xamarin.forms.dualscreen, and this code snippet this code snippet has two parts. First is panel 1 and second is panel 2. So in panel 1 will be the it will be displayed at the left side of the screen and the panel will be displayed at the right side of the screen. So whatever content you want to add at the left side, you need to put in panel 1 and other will be on panel 2. The techniques are mainly to fit in within the fold so that the app continues to provide value to user. The following pattern lets you take advantage of two screens. There are 5 dual screen patterns, and these are not only patterns for dual screen devices, but this is a starting point to grow your imagination. I will explain you the patterns one by one. So extended canvas pattern is the simplest dual screen pattern. You may consider this pattern if you need a bigger canvas for a task such as drawing or a free flow canvas that the user can freely scroll to avoid the seam. This provides the benefit of giving your app more screen real estate rather than narrow it to your one screen. Next is master detail pattern. This has a master pane and detail pane for content. When an item in the master list is selected, the details pane will update it with the details. This pattern is naturally good for when you have a wider viewing area. It's frequently used for emails and address books. So you could use one screen to show the list of items and other to show detail of the selected item. Third one is two page. The two page pattern, you can use this pattern for book like paging experience. You can use the natural boundary to show several items from the collection like pages or picture. Fourth, fourth is dual screen view pattern. You have two screen provide to compare and contrast two versions of same type of content side by side, like two images, list or document. It can be used to show the same information in two different ways at the same time. For example, a list of restaurant on one screen and a map with location on the other. Companion pen pattern. You can take advantage of two screens by placing the app canvas on one screen and using the other to hold tools for the content of that canvas. You can take example of video editor apps where one side of video will preview and other side is for editing tools of that video. System requirements of for Surface Duo SDK. Surface Duo SDK required Visual Studio with Xamarin and Android emulator. It also required Surface Duo SDK, which is available at Microsoft site. So it can develop on Windows as well as on Mac both. So system requirement for the OS is almost same. It can be like 4 GB RAM is minimum and 8 GB RAM is recommended. Surface Duo preview image also required for Android emulator to be installed. Now settings. There is one setting needed to enable this development. So you need to modify run.bat after installation. So there is a one line set Android SDK location. You need to set your Android SDK location path here. And how to find this run.bat file? You need to go to your installation location path where you have Surface Duo emulator folder, and there is under that there is artifacts folder, and that artifacts folder you can get the run.bat file. Now I am going to hand over to Nirav. He will show you the live example.
Thank you, Vinir. Good evening to all of you. So this is Microsoft Surface Duo emulator. You can see it on my screen. So this device has two screen. So user can flip any screen at any angle. This two screen is connected by 360 revolutionary hinge. So user can flip and rotate any screen at any angle. And user can also use two application, one application in left side screen and one application in right side screen. So you can see that I have opened my demo application in left side screen, and now I'm going to open setting application on the right side, so you can have idea that how can you operate two application in both screen. So you can see that I have opened both application in both screen. So let me open example of extended canvas in my demo application, and now I'm opening network and internet setting in setting page. So this way you can open and operate both application in both device of this screen. This is the main functionality of the of this device. So user can get more productivity by using both application in both screen of the devices. So let me show you how can you span a single application in both screen. So you need to press this white bar and hold this white bar and drag your application to middle of the devices, and when background turns white, then release your application. So you will get your application in both screens, same as like this. So you can see that now my application is available in both screen. So move back to in single screen. You need to pick the application from this white bar and drag your application in any screen on the left side or right side. So you will get your application in a single screen, same as like this. So Vinir has explained all these five dual screen app patterns with detail and example. Now let me show you example of all these pattern in my demo application. So let's start with extended canvas pattern. So extended canvas pattern can be used for an application where application need large canvas. For example, drawing application or application that need to implement for display purpose of map. Then in case of that, we can use extended canvas pattern. So you can see that I have added map example in this extended canvas, and when my application is open in the single screen, then less area of the map is displaying. But when span my application in both screen, then you can see that a large area of the map is discovered. So user can have large area of the map, and or user can see the map large area of the map compared to single screen. So in this kind of application, you can use extended canvas pattern. So now let's move on master detail pane. So master detail pane can be used where you want to display a list of items and item content of the selected item. In that case, for example, emails or galleries, in that case you can use master detail pattern to provide support of a dual screen device. So you can see that I have added list of item in left side screen and detail of the selected item in the right side. So user can have better navigation and easily go through the each item and see the content of the item easily. So user just need to click on the any item, and the content of that item is updated on the right side. So when application is open in the single screen of the device, then application behaves same as a normal device that currently available in the market. So you can see that when I select any item, then content of that item is displayed on the next screen. So now let's move on two page dual screen app patterns. So two page app patterns can be used for when we for a document oriented applications or reading book related applications. So you can see that when my application is open in single screen, then single page of the application is displayed. But when application is open in both screen, then you can see that two page of the application is displaying. So user can have experience like a book, reading a book. So you can scroll to page So this type of application we can use two page dual screen app patterns. So now dual view. Dual view app patterns can be used for comparison purpose, or you want to display content and context side by side, then yeah, you can use dual view pattern. I have added a list of city and a map of that city in this example. So you can see that when I select any city, then map of that city is displayed on the right side. So this type of application we can use dual view. So when application is open in single screen, then the map of the city is displayed on the next screen. But when we move to the list view page, then you can see that list of the city and map of the selected city is displaying on the side by side, so user can have a better navigation and can see the map of the selected cities. So now companion pattern can be used for an application like video editing or song editing purpose. So we can add a video or a song in the left side, and setting of that particular video or song in on the left side. So user can easily select any editing setting, and that setting will apply on the video and song on the left side. So user can see the preview of the song or video easily and edit the setting. So in that kind of application we can use companion pattern. So now let me show you the code for this application, so you can have better idea how can you provide support of Surface Duo to your existing application or any new application. So to provide support of Surface Duo, you just need to install one NuGet package in your Xamarin project, in all your Xamarin project. So I have taken cross-platform example here. So in my said project, I have added NuGet package. That NuGet package is Xamarin.forms.dual screen. So this NuGet package we need to install in all project. For example, I have installed in Android project, and also I have installed that NuGet package in UWP project. So UWP project can run on dual screen. For example, Microsoft Surface Neo. So Microsoft will also launch Microsoft Surface Neo device with Surface Duo device. So Surface Neo is a Windows based device. So in Neo you can use UWP, and you can have experience like dual screen, same as Surface Duo. So after installing that NuGet packages, you need to add a namespace in your design page, like this xamarin.forms.dual screen, and you need to use two pane control to provide support of dual screen. So whatever content you want to display on the left side screen, that goes into the pane 1, and whatever content you want to display on the right side screen, that goes into the pane 2. So by this way you can provide support of dual screen device like a Surface Duo. So you can see that in pane 1 I have added these three button: extended canvas, master detail, and 2 page. So you can see that these three buttons is displaying on the left side screen. because I have added that this all buttons in the pane 1, and I remaining buttons I have added in pane 2. So when application is open in both screen, then other three buttons which I have added in pane 2 is displaying on the right side screen. So by this way you can provide support of dual screen device easily. So let me show you the master detail page design so you can have better idea. So in master detail page design, I have added list of item in pane 1. So you can see that a list of item is displaying on the left side, and I have added content of the selected item in the pane 2. So user can see the list of the item and selected item content on the side by side. So by this way you can provide support of dual screen devices. So dual view, same as pane list in the pane 1 and map on the pane 2. So one more setting you need to add in main activity of your Android project. So I have added we need to initialize dual screen services in main activity. And if you want to know that your application is running on a Surface Duo or a normal single screen device, then you need to install one more NuGet package, that is Xamarin.Duo SDK. So by using this SDK, we can easily know that our application is running on the single screen or Duo device. So initialize method of the screen helper class return true if application is running on Duo devices. Otherwise it will return false if application is running on single device. So we can also, if you don't want to use two pane control, and then also you can provide support of dual screen device, but in that case you need to consider width of the left side screen and width of the hinge part and width of the right side part. I have added one example. uh, Here you can see that dual screen info with non two pane view. So in this case I have consider width of the left side screen, height of the left side screen, and width and height of the right side screen, and width of the revenge hinge part. So let me show you the code of that. So here you can see the design page of that page. So you can see that I have not used two pane view control. I have just used grid control, but in this case I need to consider width of the both screens. So I have added three column of the grid. First column for the left side screen, third column for the right side screen, and second column for the hinge part. So this is this hinge part. So we need to calculate that width, column of the width. So here I have set width of the column like this. We need to decide width of the left side screen and width of the right side screen, and width of the hinge part. So it's little bit complicated if you are not using two pane control. You have to manage all these thing in your way, and you need to handle all the configuration, all like when your application is spun and when application is open, then you need to handle property change of the screen, and all this you need to handle by your way. So yeah, that's it from my side. Now I am hand over to Vinir again.
Thank you, Nirav, for the demo and the details. So we will go ahead and take some time for questions now. Just remember, please be sure to type your question into the chat window. Yeah, so there is a one question. Why Xamarin application size is bigger than native application comparatively? Yeah.
Yeah, Vinir. I think this question is not part of the this webinar right now. So you can send us mail with your question, and we will get back to you via email with details. So yeah, anything else?
Uh, Great. Thank you, everyone. We appreciate you being here. Thanks again for joining us today. We hope that you all get idea about Xamarin and Xamarin support of dual screen devices. If you have any queries, send us at info@stylysolutions.com, so we will reply you on it.